If your Epic Games launcher is stuck on running, won't open, or keeps showing that glitch even after you close it, this video is going to help you fix it fast. I'll walk you through the exact steps to fully stop the launcher, clear the cache, and get it working again without wasting time. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first and most important step is to end the Epic Games launcher completely. This is the part most people miss, and it is often the reason the launcher stays stuck in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the simple view, click More Details so you can see everything running. Now look for Epic Games Launcher. You may also see other Epic-related processes still active, so check carefully. Click the launcher process, then choose End Task. If you see multiple Epic processes, end all of them one by one. This makes sure nothing is still hanging in the background. After that, try opening Epic Games Launcher again and see if the glitch is gone. If it is still acting up, the next step is to restart your PC. A simple restart can clear stuck background processes that are preventing Epic Games Launcher from starting normally. Save anything you're working on, then restart your computer completely. Once your PC turns back on, try launching Epic Games again. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the issue. If the problem continues, we're going to clear the launcher cache. This is another very effective fix for a launcher that keeps freezing, refusing to open, or staying stuck on running. Press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type %local app data % and press Enter. This will open your local app data folder. Now find the Epic Games Launcher folder, open it, and then open the Saved folder. Inside that folder, look for Webcache. Delete the Webcache folder completely. Don't worry, this will not remove your games or your account. It just clears temporary data that can cause launcher problems. Once it's deleted, open Epic Games Launcher again and check if it starts normally. If that still doesn't solve it, try running the launcher as an administrator. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut or executable, then select Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to open correctly. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes and let it launch. Sometimes this is the step that finally fixes the running glitch. Another helpful fix is to disable Epic Games Launcher from starting up automatically with Windows. Open Task Manager again, go to the Startup Apps tab, and look for Epic Games Launcher. If it's enabled, right-click it or select it and choose Disable. This can prevent the launcher from getting stuck in the background every time your PC starts. After disabling it, restart your computer one more time and then manually open Epic Games Launcher. So to recap, the best fix is to fully end all Epic processes, restart your PC, clear the Webcache folder, run the launcher as administrator, and disable Startup Launch if needed. One of these steps usually solves the issue. If this video helped you fix the Epic Games Launcher running glitch, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.